What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Kawaki and Boruto, episode 292. That was a good episode, Boruto. It was pretty good. Feels like they pulled out all the stops on that one. So, split portrait. They're both in their Otsuki mode. So, Jigen and Momoshiki. Right, so let's go. We'll start with Kawaki on this side. We start with his eye. Right, so we go. Center point of my page is about here, right? Well, it's about here. So the eyes are a little bit lower down, right? So use a pencil eraser for these and hit pause if I go too fast. So we go diagonal up, and then we will just bring it across like so. So then this eye kind of hooks down here, right? And we got to thicken this line up, so we just got to make it a bit darker, right? So we got to add a bit of extra weight to it, right? So you go just trying to thicken it, make it look darker. Okay, so in the bottom eyelid line comes across like so. And in Boruto they have sometimes an extra line that comes down like here. It's optional, but it is in the show, so we'll put it in. So then his eye, so real big, right? This, like that, right? Now he's got a kind of a triangle or something coming like in this way. Right, like so. So we have an eyelid line and eyebrow. So we go eyelid line just coming across the top of his eye here. A line just in at his nose. And then the eyebrow just above. So we'll put it just going this way. The fairly thin eyebrows, right? But we'll add, yeah, so we're going that way. And then it gets sort of thinner as it goes back, so it goes up and down like so. Maybe a frown line or something there. So nostril just down here, mouth downturned, serious sort of mouth like that, and then the bottom lip underneath. And then his chin, just here. So Kawaki's head position is just straight, looks like he's looking straight forward. So eyebrows to the nose, or eye to the nose, say top eyelid to the nose, is about the same as nose to chin. So here to here is about the same as here to here. So this and this, like just the eye. You could say the pupil, you could say the top eyelid. It's pretty close. So there and there are about the same. And then nostril to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. Boruto's head's in a different position, so it'll be a different proportion. But we come out for the chin, and then up for the jaw. And when a character is looking straight forward, the jaw sort of stops at mouth level. And underneath the corner of the eye, see that? So like across in the mouth, and underneath the corner of the eye. That's where you change direction. So normally, if that line kept going, it would just go off this way. We want to change and go up here beside his eye. So we go up like so. So his ear just comes out from here beside the eyebrow. Curves down, in around to there. And then you have some ear lines inside. So the easiest way is a sort of a letter J kind of thing, like that. And you can add more lines if you want to make it a bit more complicated. An earring there. Then just here we have a sideburn, just comes up by his eyebrow. Right, goes in, and then this horn sort of starts here, right? So it'll go like out this way. And just, we got some hairlines just at the side, like kind of some zigzags. just for the blonde shaved hair that he has at the side of his head. Right, there might be some like hairlines and stuff there. So this big Otsuki horn, right? So it kind of goes up around the back of his hair. So we'll go, and it can be a bumpy sort of line, right? We'll go this way. And some hair comes over this, so you might have to erase some bits. Right? So then the hair, so we got like a spike coming down here, coming over his eye, and then a bigger one coming down across towards his nose. And then this horn starts to go this way, but we've got like hair coming over it, right? So we'll draw the hair first, just these sort of spikes here. Going that way. Right, so then we have the top of this horn just coming around. There. And we'll have some texture lines on this, right? So like coming down the inside. Around here. Right, so then there's that pattern on his face, the coloring, right? So we go just on the inside of the eye here. So it'll come down and in. We'll draw it in. I know it's done in red, but we'll draw it in a black line. So coming down his eye and his face. So it seems to come around here. Down his hair. Another spike comes around the eye. That way. And then up his forehead. And this goes this way. So these are all red lines now. So that like goes down his cheek, and then more coming all over the top of this. So they seem to stop at some point. We'll just go, so red, white, red, white, red, white, red. This one's red. And we'll do one more short one. Just there. Right, he's been in a fight, so add some texture just on his face. Like so, right? Neck comes down just from the jaw area here. Got a neck muscle line there, maybe Adam's apple. And then his jacket comes down that way. He's got a real big collar that comes out up here. And then it goes down like so. And this has a button right here. Collar line comes down this way. Goes around the button and down like that. Maybe another fold line there. And then his shoulder disappears off that way. And then just the lines that come down his neck. So going down off this way. Right, and it's 1, 2. I can just see 2 in this picture. Should there be 3? No, there's 2. Okay, right. So we'll go over and do Boruto. Now, their eyes line up, but and their chins kind of, but their nose and mouth doesn't, because Boruto's head is like tilted backwards. So we have different proportions. So like just across from the eye on this side, we'll do the same sort of thing. Like so. And then this will hook down again, like that. And we will thicken it up a little bit. Right, and if you want, we can add that extra line just there. And then the bottom eyelid is across like so. Again, big eye for the Jugan. I think it's the Jugan anyway. And then his pupil inside is kind of just this light sort of area drawn in like that. So so we've got an eye line just at his nose, just here. We give him an eyelid line. There isn't one in the picture, but I think he needs one just there. And then an eyebrow line, similar sort of thing to Kawaki, except blonde. Bring it down, make it thicker at the front. So his nostril is higher up than Kawaki's, right? So it's up here, right? And his mouth then is up higher than Kawaki's as well. It's like there. His head is tilted backwards. So his chin comes up, around, like so. Sort of a rounder face. And we'll give him a bottom lip line as well, somewhere just here. Right, so the reason they're higher up than Kawaki's is because Boruto's head is like tilted backwards, so it changes the perspective a little bit, right? So you see this part of his face is bigger than the whole eyebrow area. Okay, so like eyebrow to nostril is about the same as nostril to like bottom lip, sort of there. Right, so here and here, just underneath the bottom lip, middle of the chin. Right, but then eyebrow to bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin, so that's still the same proportion. Okay, so this and this are the same, but here to here will bring it down below the lip, so that and that are about the same. Okay, different perspective. So he's got a sideburn just here on the side of his head, right? Right, and then we've got like some hair spikes that zigzag. And then we join his Otsuki sort of horn. It comes up this way. It can be, well, it should be higher actually. No, we'll go higher. That looks a bit too short, sorry. We'll go up. I'll just erase that line. Right, so then this can be bumpy coming down here, and then it like curves down into his head again. Right, so then we have sort of a top to it, and we've got some texture lines on this. And then the patterns on his face, right? So different to Kawaki, right? So we've got like a line going down that way, one coming up here, and then it like shoots off this direction down his face again. Then we have a smaller one up, box here. This goes up, across to there, And this kind of goes up the side of his face. So it goes up like back in here, down, up. And then this goes around all the way, it looks like, to the top of the horn. So we'll go curve it around. So we'll go, yeah, we'll go all the way up to the top. We'll just follow this line. It changes every time I see it, this. I don't know if that's intentional. You know, the sort of pattern of it changes every time I draw it. Like each image is sort of different. And then we have another one that comes up here. So this way. Okay. Now, so then Boruto's hair, right? So we've got sort of that sort of bump, you know, that he has kind of here. And then like the bit that's like sticking up. And then like some hair spikes going that way. And at the side here. Right, and I think his ear is just in here, so. Try to line it up. It's there, coming down. Like so, and again, you can do letter J, and you can make it more complicated then, if you want. His neck then just comes down, say from here, and then we got some like pattern lines inside. Seems to be different every time. Right, so they'd be blue. And then he's got his headband just coming around his neck here. The metal edge. And then his collar sort of sticks out. Not as big as Kawaki's, but sticks out a little bit. Like so. And so his shoulder should be going out there somewhere. Okay, but I think that's everything. You can put some scratches on his face as well, just to show that he's been in a battle. You can put some more texture on this Otsuki horn if you wanted. Okay. But I think that's good enough for me. Kawaki and Boruto. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.